Hi, I'm Christelle and this is day 3 of my trip to Munich. Here is Germany and here's Munich. Today we are visiting a German castle. Okay, got the beanie today and the gloves. Here's Munich and here's the castle of Nymphenburg. Okay, so there's an issue and I need to go take the bus somewhere. So I'm going to go to Romannplatz. Part 1, the castle of Nymphenburg. Le château de Nymphenburg. The price of the ticket varies depending on the time of the year, on what you want to visit, and on possible reductions. I took one regular adult ticket for everything included, and it cost me 15 euros, which is in my opinion a very fair deal. Please visit their website for more information, as prices and opening hours may vary depending on when you visit, and some buildings might even be closed. The construction of Schloss Nymphenburg started in the 17th century and elements were added until the 18th century. Now, if I go on the right for the Carriages Museum, that's where I was, Marstall Museum, there. Hungry. Part 2, trying to find some food that's near the castle and not too expensive. It's a cheesecake with fruits. Alright, that was really nice. It was warm in there, really good, really big. I'm full, so that's good. I'm going back to the castle. Basically, what I did this morning is that I saw inside the castle and I did the two museums, so carriages and porcelain. They were good, but not mind-blowing, but nice. And now, this afternoon, I'm going to walk in the park, which is, I don't know if it's big or not, but it should be interesting, and I love parks and gardens. So yeah, and I think there are some buildings in the park, and because I have basically the full combination ticket, I should have access to everything. Part 3, the gardens of the castle. So that's the main building there with the main entrance, and the side entrance to the park. There's one there, there's another one on the other side. Look at this baby. Another one there. Yes, look at you. Look at you. We've got swans. And so you see, that's the sort of little lake in front of the castle. That's the castle there. That 9 was the Museum of Carriages and of Porcelain. And that, yeah, it's big, actually, it's big. Right, and right now I'm here. Very nice. That's the pagoda. The pagoda. Oui, mais non, mais c'est toi qui viens vers moi en fait. Moi je venais pas vers toi. What the fuck? Ah d'accord. Elle veut fighter une autre roi. Ça là. Il y a des dynamiques de groupe là. I am very sorry. Little bird, I just want the view from here. Yes, perfect, thank you. So that's Badenburg. On the back of it, yeah, there's still nobody. What the fuck? And I don't know when soon. It's already 4:30. That's the bath. Alright, so we're coming from this side. That's Amalienburg. I don't know if I can visit this. It looks closed. Oh yeah, it is closed. Maybe if I go on the other side. Wait, entrance there. Entrance? Yes. Okay. Hallo. Ich habe ein Ticket. And I'm guessing that this is the exit. No, yes. Prinzengarten mit Pavillon, Exenhauschen. That's where I was at the beginning of the park. And there you go, I'm back at the castle. And it's 5:20. Alright, so I've seen everything I wanted to see today. I've done everything I wanted to do. Well, basically, I've seen the castle, I've seen the park. So I'm really happy with today. And now it's time to walk back to the bus and go back to the hotel. I am frozen. Woo. We've got the third one coming. End of the fight. Oh, yes, yes. Yeah, not too bad, eh? Aww. Look at you. Hello? Hello? Was ist das? Just got some groceries. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Feel free to like, share and subscribe so that you can see the next videos. Bye, see you soon. I've made a little book with my favorite photos from this trip. Feel free to have a look at it on my website or on my Ko-fi page. Thank you!